Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel Script Smasher. So viewers, in this video I am here with the new script of complete mining and investment website. You can see the amazing look of this website and it is in a completely mobile app view. So mobile users can easily use this website. So if you want to buy this script, you can contact us, or if you need this complete website, you can also contact us. The WhatsApp link is in description, and contact us and buy this website or script. This has a very amazing look and it is the latest mining and investment script. So let's explore this website and let's see how we can control it from admin panel. You don't need any coding knowledge to control it. You can easily control it from admin. So let's start this video. First of all, here you can see it is asking for username and password. So we have already username and password. We are already signed up to this website. So here I will enter my username and here I will enter my password. After entering these details, you have to click on sign in, and it will log me into my user panel. So here you can see that we have successfully logged into our user panel, and you can see the amazing look of its user panel. Here you can see banner about withdraw team service section. Here you can see your total investment, current investment on the website. Here you can see your total assets or balance on the website. And here you can see a multiple plans of investment or mining plans right here. Now you can create multiple as many as plans you want from admin panel. It's very easy to contain a plan on the website. So when we go to devices section, here you can see your current investments in different plans. So I've invested in only one plan, so you can see it right here. And it is here is the recharge option. So here you can recharge using any of the gateway. For example, I will recharge $500, and here you can see that you can use Binance to recharge. So here you can see attachment proof, Binance. Here you can see mobile wallet. So I'm here, you can see a demo address of the Binance, but you can insert your own address right here instead of this demo. So user can easily use Binance to invest money on this website or deposit money on this website. So here you can see also instructions. You can also change them from admin panel. And now let's go to personal option. So here you can see the amazing user options, and you can see total deposits till now on the website. And here you can see your total balance that is currently on the website, which is $5,000. You can see your image. Here you can directly recharge or withdraw money from here. And here is, you can see your products, means you can see your current investments. And from recharge record, here you can see your recharge records right here. And here you can see withdraw record, team, app coin, play store, or invite section. And when we go to invite, it is basically a referral section. You can invite users, and you can also earn money through referrals. So this is a very simple and completely in a mobile app view website. Now we had explored the user panel of this site. Now let's go to its admin panel and let's see how we can control this website from admin panel. So now you can see that we are on our admin login page, and here we have to enter our username and password to log into admin panel of this website. So I will enter my username, and here I have to enter my password. And after entering these details, I have to click on login, and it will log me into my admin panel. So we have successfully logged into our admin panel. So first of all, you can see your total users, active users, total deposits, total deposit charges, all the details about the website you can see right here. And you can also see the graphs of investments and other things. And from here, you can change admin details such as passwords, login details, etc. And here you can see, sorry for this, and here you can see your total deposits and all the notification on the website. So let's go here, and let's go back to dashboard. And now let's explore some other options on the website. So when we go to plan option, so if you want to create a plan, you can easily create a plan by going to create plan, and you just have to click on add new, and by filling these simple details you can easily create a plan of investment on your website. And you can also change the existing plans from here. So here you can manage the referral, you can manage investment reports. From users, you can manage all the users of your website. So as you can see that we are here on users, and you can add balances to the users account, you can subtract balance, you can change the details from here. So when I click on details, here you can see all the details. You can add balance to user account from here, and you can easily subtract balance. You can log in as a user, and you can change all the details. So this is how you can manage all the user. You can ban different users, email, you can verify their emails, all the details are here. So you can also use promotional tools. Here are payment gateways. So there are automatic payment gateways as well as manual payment gateways. So you can create any of the gateway you want. For example, if I want to create manual payment gateway, so here you can see that this is Binance. So you can create as many as gateway you want from here. And if you want to edit the Binance, you can also edit that gateway from there. So here you can approve or reject the pending request of deposits of users. And when you will approve the deposit, the deposit amount will be credited to the user account. Same case with withdraw, you can create different withdraw methods, or you can approve or reject the deposits of users. And here is a support ticket option. You can communicate with the user, or user can communicate with admin using support tickets. So here are the general settings options. From general settings, basically you can change the site title, symbol, and some base color and other settings of site. And from system configuration, here you can turn on off different settings of the site. So here you can see that you can manage all these settings from here. From logo and favicon, you can change the logo of this website. You can insert your own logo. You just have to click on select logo, and you can easily insert your own logo instead of this one. So you can also insert external extensions, language, manage SEO. From notification, you can manage email and other settings from here. And from manage section, you can edit different sections on the website. So this is how you can manage all the details on the website. So if you want to buy the script, do contact us on WhatsApp. The link is in description. You can contact us and buy this script. Or if you need complete website with domain name and hosting, we also provide the complete websites. So thanks for watching this video. Do like and subscribe to our channel Script Smasher.